Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. I'm in this DBH itself today. So there is one more drink which is available only in DBH, not anywhere else. And they are going to be providing only to two restaurants in one area, not more than that. So they don't need money, but they are giving a best quality and quantity also, I can say. After a long time, I'm feeling something that I'm going local. So let's try to taste some of that Goli Feast, which is called as Goli Soda, and it's completely local. And their subtitle is something called as Go Local. They have different types of flavors. So let's try this out. So here are 5 different flavors. This is lime, jeera, orange, ginger and guava. So let's start with lime. So here is a small seal. So first let's remove this. The quality of the sticker is in next level. Usually they use papers, and I have got one opener also. Press sir. Wow, that sound is amazing. Just look at this. The smoke is coming out. Great. This is lime. The lime flavor is really very dominating, and slightly they have used sugar. And here it is, the contents which has been used. Nutritional facts: total carbohydrates 1.0 grams, protein 1.8 grams, sugar 0.6 grams, calcium 19.6 grams, energy calculation is 11.2 CAL. So this is for 100 ml. So entire bottle quantity is 270 ml, and this has to be used before 3 months from the date of manufacture, and price of each bottle is 50 rupees. The soda feel is not so much in this lemon Goli soda. Usually Goli sodas you find it in street and it will be like completely local. The bottles won't be clean, and still people wish to try it. Some people would be really crazy of having this Goli soda, and especially masala sodas and all. And this sound is really great, I can say. And sodas, you will find it, especially this types of bottle, you can find it in street itself. But maintaining something hygiene, 5 times a bottle is getting sterilized. In this corona time, they have recently launched this product, I can say. So let's support them. Taste wise, it's really good. Bottle cleanliness is in next level. And here I can see a small rubber band for a vacuum purpose. They have used this, and the inside, the ball Goli, which is called as glass ball. So that has been like very clean in this bottle. So next coming to this is ginger flavor. So let me taste this. Contents are quite same, nutritional facts and all. So quantity is also same, price is also same. Ginger flavor is really very dominating. In this, sugar has not been added so much as lemon flavor. So taste wise, fantastic. And one recommendation: do not keep this in freezers. The bottle might break. So here is Goa. The sound, each and every time when I'm pressing, I get that big blush on my face. That's a happiness, that's not a blush. Goa flavor is really fantastic. The fruit taste is quite high. The sugar taste is like okay, manageable. But this is personally recommended, and lemon is also like pretty good. The one which has been made with fruits, that has been like entirely different than selling branded drinks. Desi would be damn cool, and it's like supporting our country itself. Jeera already my teammates have finished and they have given me. This is really good, it seems. So let me try this. The jeera taste is quite dominating. The color itself is like of jeera itself. They have boiled jeera, so the color has come up with that. In almost all the drinks, they have not used any artificial flavors. So the last and the final one is orange. I have to open seal. In this orange, definitely they have used an artificial flavor. The rest of the drinks, fine, they haven't used artificial. But in this, slightly the artificial flavor has been used and the orange flavor is quite dominating. When you are drinking, it feels that you are eating some orange candy. If any of the restaurant owners need this Goli Feast franchisees or drinks, you can just contact. The number will be mentioned in the description part. The Goli Feast is just amazing. You have to try it out. Their factory is in Hennur, Banaswadi. That address also will be mentioned in the description. Each and every bottle price is 50 rupees. It's not like different flavors, different price and all. Almost nutritional facts is also same. Taste wise, yes, here and there taste is like quite different, but yes, amazing taste. Some of the drinks which I tried, almost all the drinks has natural added flavors except orange. Orange is like slightly artificial flavor has been added, I felt, but yes, it's really good. Anyhow guys, whatever I needed to show in this vlog, I just showed it out. In fact, the day this shoot also was happened with that biryani itself. That's it, I can say. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.